It's morning, guys. It's another day, and today was sunshine this morning, but now it's a bit holiday. Also, it's Praise and Try today. So happy about that. We now have our very busy day because of this day. But into anything since it was raining and snowing and hell all day. So today and tomorrow we've got a busy day. So that's right. It's a beautiful day outside. The sun was here earlier, when you want to say good morning? Hey. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, I'm starting to not feel the best anymore. I have come down with a cold and I have a headache. This is not his fault, whatever we do. And I've got a sore ears as well because of the cold. 20 nuts as well is feeling. This is just freezing cold, but often his. Oh, there's a walnut as well. This is. I should put some walnuts at the thought about, but looks like there's a walnut as well. And really say much on him, but yeah, so. Because today is like the second last full day of the holiday. We're just gonna have to try and make it the best of us we can. Enjoy it all home and then sort of fully recover, you know what I mean? Well, waiting for Tony to hop up, but sort of off first and take me out for toilet. And then I take a few errands around the house. And then had a wee rest on the house, hasn't really sort of a little rest and very small laugh, and then we are upstairs and the usuals, and now we are heading off. It is 9:30 and we are heading off because I really want to go to the store to stop at 8 horses at midday, so that means I've set off this morning. If there's enough time to get there and not around, it also, as I said, it takes an hour to walk into the dollar. So the plans are, we're gonna go to the dollar, we're gonna go to the salt first, now we're to and then went on to the beach. Because I wanted to show 20 and minute that beach because it's different from the one down here. I went to that family lot from this one, this one other one is near the town, the city. So it's just outside Ghana. So yeah, and I really want to show many and toilet the other beach because it's really, really nice. It's much nicer than this one. So if I thought that beach was nice, wait until you see this one. And then, depends on what time it is, we're going to alternate go up or higher up like because the bike doesn't open until 1 o'clock, which is a bit weird, but yeah. So that's the plan for today. So let's get this day started. So sunny here, wind is off here, rain my car mentioning this house or something and carrying on towards the beach. And this is here. So, Minnesota and Paul was joining us last week. But and then after that we're going to go and see if we can hire up 8 and then we're going to go into the hub and get some free for the rest of the week and then yeah. So let's go inside the beach. No sorry. We've been to the beach, we've been to the Salted South, we had Hoob, it might hire us not answering the phone to hand. No, we're doing that after. We're doing the Hoob shopping now and then, I don't know, if it might hire us, does it get much to us, then we're just going to go back home in. It's been about a whole day and done right and it's been a bit day, I've been just tired. We've been going a lot and quite fun at the beach. How beautiful was it? I'm just waiting for Tony now because it's his turn. We're eating no ends and our sense of running dog fast. I shouldn't see, so I went in fast and I got some sausages and then now he's running. And yeah. We got back from Donor City and at high up place finally got back to us, but it was too late in the day, so we didn't hire the bikes and we want to be able to hire them while we're here, so that's it's a bad thing. It's a good thing because that means in a way I won't be spending my money on that, and it's a bad thing because we didn't get to enjoy the bikes, I didn't get to experience an e-bike, and it meant you have to do a lot more walking than a lot more walking. When I was walking back here, I did the maths and we walked up and down that path 14 times. And it's 2 miles each way, so, and it takes an hour, which means we've done 7 hours on that path. and we got is it 14 miles? No. Yeah, 14 miles. I was up on that. Yeah, 14 miles. I think I said that first time anyway. And so it is now that, as you can see, so we managed to do everything that we wanted to do today, apart from the my expenses is fine. And now I am taking into dinner. I had a latest lunch on today, and so did Tony, but it wasn't enough for him. So when we looked at he had his meal, I thought it was going to be his latest lunch or something like that, but apparently it was his early dinner. So it's just me, and tonight we are having the leftovers, the last cents in the hot that we have, because we go home the day after tomorrow, so we're trying to eat up what we've got here. So now we don't have to print all the stuff home, especially from the fridge. We didn't use the freezer, but so yeah, it's not a very what's the word? It's not a very healthy or basic looking meal, but yeah. So anyway, so yeah, this is so we are having his sausages and potato waffles. It's a couple of days needs that enough on to end that vlog. So here I am ending the vlog. But before I end that, I just wanted to quickly say the pizza we went to that day was not the best looking that day. I don't know what it is, I think we went to the wrong area, or the train was out, or something else, but it is a lot better looking than that, sometimes. Maybe it was just a mountain that we went up, and it was that was a beach. So this is basically my for today's vlog. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next day for thanks and bye guys.